Assalamu alaikum. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Now, let's start.
Hi, welcome to lesson 16. In this lesson, we're going to learn the definite article in Egyptian Arabic. Let's jump to the whiteboard and explain this. What is the definite article? Now, in order to answer this question, we need to know something. If I said the in English, so this is the definite article in English. In Arabic, we add before any word alif and lam. Alif with kasra, e, and lam with sukun, il. So, let's start, read this. Let's read this one. The first one is B, and then this is a long vowel. Bit. Okay. Bit means house. A house. Okay. Now, let's read this one. البيت. البيت. So that means the house. Okay? So, as we said, the means in. Now, what about a house or an apple, for example? The indefinite article. In Egyptian and in Arabic, we don't have equivalent for indefinite article. We only say the word without anything to add. However, the definite article is, which is that in English, it's il in Egyptian dialect. So let's read this one. Shams, which means a sun. So il shams. Il shams. Okay. The next one, dub, which means not that, which means a bear. Okay. So il dub. Madrasa, which means a school. Il madrasa, the school. Ukht, sister. Il ukht, the sister. Now, in order to master definite article and indefinite article in pronunciation and to sound like a native Egyptian, we need to know something. We need to know that we have two groups of definite article. We have amun letters and sun letters. What are these things? This is what we're going to know in the next class.
Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with any questions or topics you would like to see next. And make sure to subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with new videos. See you the next lesson.